Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Orange color. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for guava. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sister. T for tomato. U for unicorn. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.